Good morning, student. Welcome to you in a third semester. Firstly, we will discuss about the syllabus of physical pharmacy in third semester. So, one by one, we have to discuss the syllabus of physical pharmacy. Now, Unit 1. Unit 1 is a solubility of drug, which contain the following topics: solubility expression, mechanism of solute solvent interactions, ideal solubility parameters, solvation and associations, quantitative approach to the factor influencing the solubility of the drug. Next topics are diffusion principle in biological system, which contains different type of theories of diffusion and active and passive diffusions. Next is a solubility of gas in a liquid, solubility of liquid in liquid, either binary solution and ideal solution or real solutions. Very important law, that is the Rath law, real solutions, partial miscibility liquids, miscible liquids. Next topic is a CST, in short term known as critical solution temperature and its applications. Next is the distribution law, its limitation and application. Distribution law is also known as Nernst distribution law and partition coefficient. So, all these topics are included in Unit 1, that is solubility of the drug. Now, next is a Unit 2, that is states of matter and properties of matter. You people already study about these state of matter, which include state of matter, change in the state of matter, latent heat, vapor pressure, sublimations, critical point. These are the small topics of topics included in a state of matter. Now, one more is a eutectic mixture, gases, aerosol, inhalers. Next is a relative humidity, liquid complexes, liquid crystals, glassy state, solid, crystalline and amorphous solid. Means crystalline and amorphous solid and differences between the crystalline and amorphous solid. Last topic is polymorphism, means many form of the drug. All these topics are included in state of matter and properties of matter. Now continue with Unit 2. Next is a physico-chemical properties of drug. In this chapter, we have to study about different physico-chemical properties. First one is a refractive index, optical rotation, dielectric constant and dipole moment with dissociation constant, determination and application. Means we have to study all the parameters, means introductions, apparatus, means instrument working, procedure, applications, advantages and disadvantages. So, all the 2 chapters are included in Unit 2. Next is Unit 3, that is surface and interfacial phenomena. In Unit 3, following topics are included: liquid interface, solid and interfacial tension, surface free energy, measurement of surface and interfacial tension. Means we have to study about the different type of methods used to determine the surface and interfacial tension. Next is the spreading coefficient, adsorptions at liquid interface, surface active agent means surfactant, HLV scale and their methods, solubilizations, detergency, and last one is adsorption at the solid interface. All these topics are included in surface and interfacial tension. Now unit 4 is complexation and protein binding. Here is a 2 chapter, one is complexation and protein binding. Following topics are included in this chapter. Firstly, introduction about complexations, classification of complexes and application of complexes, method of analysis of complexations. Next topic is protein binding, means binding of drug with different proteins, complexation and their drug actions, crystalline structure of complexes, and last one is a thermodynamic treatment of stability constant. All these topics are included in complexation and protein binding. Now last unit is pH, buffer and isotonic solutions. Here we have to study about the pH means Sorensen scale, buffer and isotonic solutions. The topics included in this unit: Sorensen pH scale, pH determination methods, electrometric and calorimetric, and application of buffers. Buffer equation is known as Henderson-Hasselbalch equations, buffer capacity and buffer in pharmaceutical and biological system. Last topic is important topic, that is buffered isotonic solution. In this we have to study about the hypotonic, hypertonic and isotonic solution, and then method to determine the isotonicity. After that, method to adjust the isotonicity. So all these topics are included in unit 5, that is pH, buffer and isotonic solution. At the last, thank you very much for this